Should in case you are wondering what to do or what to use whenever you think you have been poisoned, or whenever you are poisoned by someone, maybe you've gone to a social gathering or a party and someone has poisoned your food or your drink, and the poison have started taking effect. Even though there are some poisons, they don't take effect immediately. Others take few hours before they begin to take effect. Others even take days and months and years before they begin to even manifest. But in this case, the poison have started taking effect, and it is giving you, stomach aches, and you don't know what to do, either in the middle of the night or in any time of the day, and you want something to, nullify the poison. I have something for you. You can come and let me show you something. In case you find yourself in such a situation, you can go find cassava leaves. As you can see, we are standing in a cassava garden, cassava leaves. So if it is food poison or drink poison or any form of poison, and the poison has started taking effect, quickly go and look for a cassava leaf such as this one. But in this case, go for the one with a red strips. Okay, we have two types of cassava leaves. We have one that is having, white, strips or white branches like this, branches. But in this case, in this food poison or drink poison or poison case, you are going to use the red one. Go and look for the one with the red strips or the one with the red, branches such as this one. Immediately you unplug one, just single one like this. Okay, it doesn't matter how it is. Make sure you unplug just one, and then you give it to the person, or if you are the person who have been poisoned and the poison have started taking effect, you chew only one, single one like this. You chew, there is a juice in it, then you drink or you swallow the juice. You chew, then you swallow the juice. You chew, then you swallow the juice. After swallowing the juice and everything, give yourself for like 5 minutes. If it is food poison indeed, the food or the poison, you are going to vomit out the poison immediately with immediate effect. 5 minutes after chewing the leaves, you are going to vomit out the poison. But if it is not food poison but normal, stomach ache, within that 5 minutes, the stomach ache will vanish in a thin air. This is how wonderful nature is. What are you waiting for? Make sure you keep this video so that in case you suffer from food poison, because food poison can occur to anybody irrespective of whoever you are, whether you are the president, whether you are the minister, you are MP, you are the chief, a king, rich person, poor person, everybody at all can be poisoned through food poison or drink poison. So share this video to your friends and family, like it as well, and let everybody know about this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.